Put your hand up if you've deleted something in a production database by mistake before. I certainly have. But I certainly won't again. And that's because Laravel lets you really easily prevent that from happening. We're going to come into our app service provider, and using the DB facade, we can call this function prohibit destructive commands. And we can make sure that if the app is in production, this will run. So what does this do? Well, this prohibit destructive command will make sure that you can't run any command like artisan migrate fresh, or artisan migrate refresh, or artisan migrate reset, or artisan migrate rollback, or artisan db wipe. So by having this here, if I come along and change my .env file to, let's say, app.env is production, I can come back here and I can run php artisan db fresh, or migrate fresh. And it's not going to let me. It says this command is prohibited from running in this environment. So I can't accidentally run these commands that are going to wipe my database in production, which is great. But while I'm still in a local environment, if I set my app.env back to local and I try and run that command again, it's going to work exactly as I would expect. So it's not going to get in the way of my local development, but it is going to save my life in production if that ever gets accidentally run.